Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to understand about set operations in SQL. Union, union all, intersect and except. Okay, I've created two tables. One is customer table. Let me show you just once. We have ID of the customer, name of the customer, city of the customer. Same columns for employee table. ID of the employee, name of the employee, city of the employee. Okay, now we will execute some queries using these operations, these particular keywords. Okay, but before that, let me tell you about these keywords. Let's say you have customer table, employee table. You can consider that this is city of customer table, city of employee table. Now for union, if you use union, then you will get all the cities from customer table and all the cities from employee table. Okay, it denoted as A union B. So when you write A union B, that means you are taking all the values from A table and all the values from B table. A is the customer here and B is the employee here. Okay. Union all means that you take the duplicates also. Okay. That means don't leave the duplicates. For only union, no duplicates. We will see while executing queries. Okay. Another one is intersect. Intersect means only those portions which is common. This one. This is denoted as this way. A intersection B. That means only those cities where there is a customer and there is an employee. Customer is also existing here and employee is also existing here. That portion is called as intersect. So you understand union means all of them complete. Intersect means only the common person. Okay. Now, except. That means, let's say I write A except B. Or in some cases you can see A minus B. That means take all the values from A but minus B. Leave the values of the B. Okay. So only this portion. Only this particular portion. Not this one. Same way, if I write B except A, then you have to take all the values from B but not that portion which is included in A. Okay, you get my point? So these are the main terms. Now let's understand this while doing queries. See, our table is ready. So now my query is all the cities from both tables. I have told you all the cities from both tables means you want this, exactly this one. And without duplicates, that means you have to use only union. So how to write this query? Select simple city from customer. This will give you the city from the customers. So this will give you city from the customers table. Right. Now if I write select city from employees. Now let me show you. If I run this, it will show all the cities from employee table. Now what you have to do? You have to write union. That means give me all the cities where there is a customer and an employee. See, there is no duplicates. All the cities are only ones. But there are duplicates you have seen in the table. So same query when I want with duplicates. Let me just copy this and write union all. Then see what happens. See, Chicago, Seattle, Houston, Miami, New York, Chicago, Houston. Okay, so you can understand there are duplicates. So if you want all the cities with duplicates, you have to use union all. If you don't want the duplicates, then you will not write all. You will just write union. Okay, you understand the difference. Okay, now let's do this one. City is common to both employees and customers. Common portion means you have to find this portion, the intersect portion. Okay, this is the customer table, this is the employee table. You have to find where a customer also lives and employee also lives. That is the common one. That is intersect. Okay, so just simply you have to use the intersect keyword. The same thing, let me just copy. You have to fetch the city from both the table and there you have to write intersect. Okay, now if I run this, you can see Chicago, Houston, New York. You can see these things are common in both the tables. Let me show you. See, Chicago is common in both the table and the common tables will be fetched using Intersect. Now cities where employees are living but not customers. See this one where you have employees but not customer. See this one employee, this one is customer. So these cities will be considered, but here customer is residing, so this person you have to ignore. So this is only possible by using except keyword or by using minus keyword. Okay, so just you have to first fetch the city from employees except the city from customer. Right, now let me show you. See Los Angeles. You can see Los Angeles. You have one employee from Los Angeles, but not from customers. Fine. Now name all the individuals in Chicago. Say, in Chicago, Bob is living. In Chicago, Frank is living. So I want Frank and Bob. Okay. So that I can write using select. You have to fetch the name. I will type it as employee. So as type from employees table where city equal to Chicago. Let me first show you this one. What happened? Select name, comma. See, Bob is an employee. Bob is living in Chicago. So I have just written the type as employee. So Bob, the type is employee from employees table, and here city is Chicago. Bob is living in Chicago. But I want from employee table and from customer tables also. So I have to write union. Let's do union all because I want from both the table. So same thing you just have to do from the customer table also. Right? Here this will not be employee, this will be customer. Fine. Now let me show you. See Bob from employee table, Frank from customer table. Employee table is typed as employee, customer table is typed as customer. Both of them are living in Chicago. So you understand how to use these particular keywords. Now let's do the next one. Total count of unique cities served by employees or customers. So you have to count all the unique cities. Distinct keyword you have to use, you have understood. Now see how to write this one. Select, let's say I'll do count on distinct city. Unique cities. So that's why I'm using the distinct keyword. Let's give it a name. Total cities. Now from where? You have to connect both the tables. So see, select city from employee union, select city from customers. Because you know, if I do this one, select city from employees and select city union all, select city from customers, this will give you all the cities. Now from here, from this particular table, you are counting all the distinct cities. Okay. Give it a name as all cities. Now see the query. Sorry, I forgot to give the underscore and it was a space in between. So that is why it was showing as error. Okay, now see. Select city from employees and select city from customers. Union. This one will give you a big table of all the cities. What happened? See. This is the big table containing all the cities. Now from here you are counting all the distinct cities. Okay, this is simple thing. In the derived table you have to give it a name, all the cities. Okay. Okay, so total 6 cities. Fine. Now people with the same name in both employees and customers. Is there anyone in the same name? Alice, Bob, Charlie, David, Eve? Not really. But let's run the query. Okay, how to find? Same name in both employees and customers. Same. So you have to select name from employees table. This will give you all the name from employees table. Union select name from customers table. Okay, so this one will show us the total all the name from the both the tables. But in case you want to see only the common one, so you have to write intersect. So as there is no, so it will show as blank. Okay. Now people who are employees but not customer. Same employee but not customer. So employee but not customer. So this portion you have to ignore. Only this one. So you can say this one is except. So you have to write select name from employee, all of them, but so except select name from customers. Same thing. Nothing new. Okay. See, all of them because they are not in customer table. Fine. So we have understood how to use union, union all, intersect and except. Okay. So bye. Happy learning.